Good afternoon, everyone. It's been a minute. So, how was yours weekend? How was the weekend? How was last week trading? Mine went well. It was incredible as well. Now, I just want to show you guys something, and want you guys to answer this question. How was my dad's birthday? It went well. It went well. It was really amazing. I think the last time we saw each other was back in December. Yeah, I went to spend uh, Christmas over at his place. So let me just do a quick top down analysis on this crazy bear. I did Banana Island with one show. So guys, my weekend was amazing. Um, I broke my own record, as some of you may know. It was mind blowing. Like, it was crazy. It was crazy. I mean, that would have been I think $8,000 instead of 4,006, because I was just I just wanted to close. I just wanted to close that trade. Like, it's almost messed with my mental health. It's almost messed with it. Like, it's really really annoying. So I was just tired of it. So I just closed. But it was when I closed, it just dumped. I was like, I beg.
I'm also in this trade right now.
Now this cell. Do you know why? What did I tell you guys about supply and demand? What did I tell you about supply and demand? I said that price will always sell from a supply level, and price will always buy from the demand level. So this is it. I mean, there was like a sell setup here, which is this. There was this sell setup here. Please, guys, to those of you that are here and you are a beginner, like very very basic beginner, please, I don't think my mentorship will do justice to whatever it is you want to achieve, because I only teach. I don't teach the basic. I don't teach you about candlesticks. I don't teach you about what. So please, if you pay for this method, I'm going to tell you all of those things about tell you about what you call it, about forex generally, about pips, candlesticks, like all what baby pips will teach you. I don't do that. I don't do that. It's a little bit intermediate. Do you understand? Not novice. Okay. So please, right. I said that price will sell from the supply level and buy from the demand level. Now this was the sell. Some people called this sell, but did it tap into a 5 minute supply level, which is this? Let's see. Let's confirm. I'm sure. Because if it did not, I don't want to be caught in this trade. This price is just not ready to sell yet. So what's going to happen? Price is going to come back to this place. It almost touched it, but it did not. This same thing is giving me deja vu, because this happened on GBP USD last month.
Yeah, Jim did this thing. Yes.
Yeah, right. It happened like GBP USD sold off for me after taking out the structural liquidity. It sold off, but it never tapped into the supply level. So after selling off, what happened? They came back, went into the supply level, then tanked immediately. Do you understand? That is why I said price will always buy and sell from its supply and demand level. Always, based on experience. Like 95% of the time, it would. If it does not, it will come back. One day, shy, it will come back. Do you get? So if I'm going to take this sell, right, I'm going to wait for this because I saw a now this is a demand level. Price reacted from it, but I did not see a clear confirmation for this. Okay, I think there's a confirmation now. Should I risk this trade? Let me risk it. I'm a risk taker. Let me risk this buy. But I think it has given like a confirmation. But I'm expecting it to. I was expecting it to come back here, give me a confirmation here, then go. But now it's giving me this. It's giving me this.
It may not come back. Oh.
Yeah. So let me just risk it as per risk taker where I be now.
And there's a bullish engulfing there. I'm seeing bullish engulfing.
Who they talk? Who be this person? Who are you? Who is you, fam?
Jerome, fam. It's Jerome.
Bro, what's your mic? Yeah, okay. Jerome, mark me now. Please. What's your mic? All right, all right. I've risked this trade. I mean, it has given me a confirmation here, but this if you just go misbehave like this, price might just come back here, deep into this place, and then sell. Sorry, then buy. All these things I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I don't trust them. So anyway, let's go to what do you call it? Let's go to currency pairs. Let's go to currency pairs. Now, if this buy actually holds, target to be here. This will be the target. This will be the target. That's if it holds. Anyway, let's continue.
Let's do CAD CHF on that currency pair.
I swear, see, I swear, I don't know how your mic. I don't know which jazz you use. I know I don't mute everybody. I don't know how I'm still hearing your voice inside my head.
Voicing this up.
What's going on? Please, can someone tell me how to mute everybody in this house? Okay. Try. All right, please, if you want to speak, just write in the chat box, please. Write in the chat box instead. All right, let's get to work. All right, what pair are we looking at? NZD USD.
CAD CHF.
Alpha TK, I think I've not seen your DM. GPAUD doing the Lord's work. Nice. Whoa, what trade is this? Wow. I think I shared this one to everyone in the public group.
Wrong.
All right, NZD USD. Let's check. All right, top down analysis. What's the first thing you want to do when you come on the charts? The top down analysis, very, very important. Very, very important. Top down analysis, top down analysis. All right, where is price coming from? Where is price going to? Does anybody have an idea? Where's price coming from? Yeah, I actually did analysis and I forgot and it went my way. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Let's see. We have a sweep of liquidity here, right? This became a protected high. Now this became a structural liquidity which price took out. Then it sold off. Yeah, sold off. This is it. So let's go to the daily. Let's see what's happening. So this automatically becomes a protected eye. That becomes a protected eye. Let's go to the daily time frame. I think I'm still bearish on GBP. I mean, NCD USD is a protected eye. This is a sweep of liquidity. Do we have a structural liquidity here? Would I say this is the structural liquidity? I don't know. This price reacted. Yeah, price reacted. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, good. It was actually a structural liquidity. We have the sweep. I think we have the sweep here as well. We have another structural liquidity. But price did not even respect it. Price did not respect it. So on the 4 hours time frame, I can see a sweep of liquidity here, but I don't have a structural liquidity. I don't have a structural liquidity. Okay, so I don't have a structural liquidity. This is a protected eye. I don't have a structural liquidity yet. There's no structural liquidity, so I won't want to be, risking this kind of trade. I wouldn't want to be doing that. So let's check the 2 hours time frame. See what we have. Okay. I think we have something like this here. I think we have a structural liquidity here. Because we had a sweep here. I mean, I only want to be looking out for sales. Nothing else. Just sells. Just sells. Just sells. I just want to be looking out for sales. Someone said there's a sell setup on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, fine, there might be, but we want to go from our highest time frame to our low time frame. Do you understand? That's how we want to go about our analysis. You don't want to go from your 15 minutes to your higher time frame. Yeah. So there's a cell setup here. So if at all price invalidates the 15 minutes time frame setup, this is a possibility. This right here, after 2 hours time frame, is a possibility. Okay. Now, see what I was talking about. This stupid D. Can you see this D10S? Yeah, this look at it. Because I'm expecting it to actually come here. Then give me a confirmation. That's what I was expecting. So if you are taking this trade here, you have probably lost in the start, like I have. So back to NZD USD. Back to NZD USD. All right, so let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me see. All right, we have a sweep here. I know majority of you can see it. We have a sweep there. This became a protected eye. This now this is a trade I would be risking on because this is a good sell setup. Yeah, this is a good sell setup. Yeah. So this is your trade for today. Remember, we're looking at for sells, sells, sells. So NZD USD is bearish. DAX posted the setup also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. I just remembered. DAX posted this as well. So to me, it's valid. It's valid. I sent it to my signal. I've forgotten. Like since full. I didn't even know it was NZD USD. I thought it was NZD. What's that?
Please, I have a question.
Yeah. What's your
Can I
question?
ask?
And once you ask your question,
After a sweep of liquidity, then also yes. After a sweep of liquidity, is there not supposed to be a first break
oh yeah,
before it
this
is
is
a
this is more
valid
like
setup?
a this is a type 2 setup. Like there are two types though. We have
Type.
the one that has two breaks of structure, which is this, right? We have one break, two break, right? We have this, and then we also have this as well, and then we have this, just one break. So both are still valid. You get both are still valid,
Yeah.
just in case. So this is like type 2, this is type 1. All right, capiche?
Oh,
So what other player are we analyzing again?
volatility 25 is in POI, I think 30 minutes.
Let's analyze card CHF.
Let's look at CHF. At CHF. I don't really like trading that pair though, but let's go about it. Let's see. At CHF. Okay. Here goes. Now, let me go from the weekly time frame. What can I see? Where's price coming from? Where's price going to? This thing is actually very, very bearish. Very, very bearish. Let's go to the daily time frame. I'm not saying anything on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. this one. Abeg, abeg, abeg. For this thing was selling. But where is it selling from? Why is it selling? Why is it selling? Why is it selling? Why is it selling? Sweep, protected eye, which got picked out, structural liquidity, structural liquidity, price picked it out, went back into structure. Let's go to the 2 hours time frame. Let's see. This is not a sweep. In case you are thinking this is a sweep of liquidity, it's not. Some people say sweep of liquidity. It's not. This is not a sweep, just in case. Because you'll be like, this is a sweep of liquidity, break of structure, second break, structural liquidity. Okay, so this is all right. But I can see a buy setup. Yeah, that's already playing out on 1 hour time frame. I can see a buy setup. I don't know if anyone else is seeing it. For me, I can see it. We have a sweep. We have a structural liquidity here. We have a protected low. What is price doing? Price is respecting this. And where is price going to? Price is going here. You guys just see what I did just now. Can you see what CASHF is doing? CASHF is buying to this place. Right? It's buying to this place. So you want to look out for a buy setup. Look out for a buy setup. It's 5 minutes. All right. This is a possible buy. Price respected this, respected that, and now price has given us a sweep. Yeah, giving us a structural liquidity. Yeah, giving us a protected low. Yeah, giving us PY. Yeah. So this is a continuation for this thing, for card CHF buy. So does this do justice to your question? Whoever asked this question. Okay, so please, I just want to do the top-down analysis again because I think I was bearish on card CHF. So let us do it again to be sure if that buy is just like maybe a slight retracement and stuff. Right? So let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's do it again. Because you don't want to screw up your top-down analysis. See, stupid determinants. You don't want to screw up your top-down analysis. Remember, because it's your top-down analysis that will decide whether you take a win or a loss. Let's go to the weekly. let me clear this chart. I don't really like trading CASH, so I don't really backtest it. So, but if I have been backtesting it, I would have been sure of which buyers this is. But just notice I've been selling since 1995. I've been selling for a very, very, very long time. Selling, 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 selling. Are we better than believers? Okay, now this would have been a sell setup here, right? But price invalidated it. Price invalidated it, and most times when stuffs like this happen, it means price has changed its trend to a buy trend because price did not respect. This is a very clean sell setup. I don't know if you all understand. This is a very clean sell setup, right? And what the price do? Price invalidated this sell, gave us a new high, right? Give us a new high. So what is price likely to do? Price is likely to, like, retrace, then continue to its direction or stuff. I've seen this happen before. It happened on V10S. Okay, it happened on V10S. So if this is your first class, please watch all the videos. It's basically how I teach. Do you understand? Watch all the videos. Don't rush it. Start from the very, very beginning till you get to the end. Do you understand? Start from the very, very beginning. So once this happened, I knew that okay, it seems this thing has changed its trend to, like, an uptrend. Maybe it's short term, but sorry, 1 minute before this laptop goes off. So guys, you understand? This let me show you what happened on V10S. Similar stuff. Similar stuff. Yeah, you see. I knew this bastard was going to come all the way down here. I just knew. I knew this bastard was going to come all the way down here. Chai. V50 is going to sell. Sister Asia consistent. V50 is going to sell. I even have the setup here. This is my entry for V50. You can take the trade if you want. This is the overall trend. Look at where price is coming from. Now, price has been buying from here though. Price has been buying from here. Price has been buying from here on V50. And where is it going to? This is where it's going to. But remember, sometimes price, you know, have to retrace, have to like breathe. Yeah. And we are in a supply level, we are in a premium level. We are in a premium level. So what the price do? Price created rule number one, sweep of liquidity. This became a protected high. Then we had this break of structure. Then we had this retracement. We had this retracement, which gave us what? Gave us this structural liquidity. So what happened? Price took out the structural liquidity, right? Then now where is it selling to? It's selling to this place. So this is the TP. But I am anticipating price to do this, to give me a second entry because I've missed the first entry. So what am I anticipating price to do? I'm anticipating price to do this. Now let me go on the lower time frame. Right, price gave me a sweep here. Price gave me a protected high. Now, this is one of the reasons why, if you are in a trade, let's assume you are floating profit of like $1,000 right now. You took this trade from here, and price has gone all the way down to $1,000. Then you see price come here back to almost your entry, and you're floating, let's say, $50 or $100. It's just mess with your psychology. What's it going to do? It's still going to continue to the downside. It just wants to get a re-entry to tap in people that got in that did not get the chance to enter the trade. Tap them in, and then what does price do? Price continues to the direction. That's what happened when I was trading that $70 to 4,006. I think price went all the way down to 4,000, then went back up to $500, but I still held the trade, and it happened many times. It first went to like 1,007, then went back down to like 400. Went back. That was a very shitty price action, honestly. It almost fucked with my mentality. I was like, I'm a beg, let me get out of this shit. I'm tired of it. Do you understand? So it's just trying to, take out liquidity and then continue to its direction. That's all it's just trying to do. Now, a lot of people would not have held that. Now, a lot of people would have taken that trade, but not a lot of people would have ended up, profitable on that trade. That's why I keep saying it's not just the chart analysis that will make you a profitable trader. It's not just that. But a lot of people on Twitter were like, "What am I saying? What is this? What is this?" I was just laughing because so many people took that same trade, but a lot of people didn't make money from that trade. You get. So someone said I should analyze my V50s. Mr. Patrick Osenupon. Patrick Osenupon. I don't even remember this. All right. Let me show you why I took that V50 sell. Now, it occurred to me that I was trading against the trend for that V50 sell. The Lord was just on my side. That very. I was trading against the trend. Sorry. On the 4 hours time frame, what did I see? How did I break down of something? Yeah, that was like my best trade so far. That's my best trade so far. All right, so I saw this. This is B50S. I saw this sweep of liquidity, right? Then this is a protected eye. Then I saw this break of structure. So it's break of structure. I saw this structural liquidity. So this was my entry. Yeah, I think I got the trade from when it started selling. And this was supposed to be my target. This was supposed to be my target. But then look at this price action. Let me show you everything that happened. If it was you, would you have held this trade? If it was you, would you have held? Bro, this thing will frustrate you, I swear. I swear to God, it will frustrate you. Look at this price action. So I sold off, right? Sold off. Price went all the way here, gave me about $1,000. Went back up. I thought, okay, this trade might close me out. Then what did it do? Went back down, went back up again. They started going up and down, up and down, up and down. Then tanked to 2,700. Then went back up to like 500 or so. Then tanked to like 4,000. Yeah, I think this was $4,000. This was $4,000. Now look at this. Imagine you were up $4,000 from from $70 to $4,000. Then you see price do this, go all the way up here to your entry. Yeah, because this was a sniper entry. Almost take you out of the trade. Then went back down. Back down. How would you feel? Like I think I closed here. I think I closed somewhere around here. No, somewhere around here. Yeah, because it came back down to like maybe $5,000 or so. But I was already out of the trade. Now this price action is very stupid. Yeah, so that was the trade I took on V50. Right? So we are analyzing V50. So this is V50. I'm waiting for price. Now, a lot of people would have been in this trade. They'll be in profit. They'll be floating in profit right now because they took their entry from here, right? But what's going to happen? They will go from like $1,000 back to let's say $100. And some will close their trade. You understand? Some will close their trade. Not knowing that this is just a re-entry for those that did not get in on time. So if you are looking to buy, sell V50, this is where you can get it. But me, I don't set limits. I always take my trades with confirmations. Okay, so once I should talk on stacking positions. Now, it takes a lot to be able to stack on positions. Do you understand? It takes a lot. Like if you are going full margin, if you are going maybe 70% margin or 60% margin, and you want to open as many positions as you can, you need to time your entry. You need to time your entry. Like, okay, look at what's going to happen now. Let me see. We have like 1 minute left. I didn't think we had time. I was going to start on this trade. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for price to close above this, like it's doing now. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Let me phone my account. Now, this is what I do. I monitor the trade, the 5 minutes candle. Once it gives me a confirmation, then I want to start. Yeah, I want to start. But now it's not yet giving me a confirmation, so I just wait. But once this closes above here, right? Unless I have like $50 and I want to open multiple positions, I'm going to keep, pressing my buy button, right? I'm going to keep pressing my buy button until my margin stays $30 or $40. If I want to go full margin, maybe $40. Do you understand? But it's very, very, very risky because any single weak rejection like this will just stop you out. Do you understand? So that's why sometimes I might have like maybe $100, just divide it into two places to take it twice if possible, if it stops me at the first time. So that's it for that. So guys, our time is up. Please let us make money today. Let us make crazy amount of money this week, not today. This week, if you can today, fine. This week. Okay. So we meet again tomorrow. Let's say tomorrow, hopefully if I have a chance. Now I'm a very, very busy person. Very, very busy. Like before. Anyhow, Sha, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. Make mama proud.